Top 25 Deep Learning Project Ideas 1. Image classification using convolutional neural networks, CNN. Implement a CNN to classify images into predefined categories, such as animals, vehicles, or household items, achieving high accuracy. 2. Sentiment analysis on social media data. Develop a deep learning model to analyze sentiment in social media posts or tweets, categorizing them as positive, negative, or neutral. 3. Handwritten digit recognition. Build a deep neural network to recognize handwritten digits from images, achieving state-of-the-art accuracy on benchmark datasets like INIST. 4. Facial expression recognition. Create a model to recognize facial expressions such as happiness, sadness, or anger in images or videos, aiding in emotion detection. 5. Object detection and localization. Develop an object detection system using deep learning techniques like YOLO or SSD to detect and localize objects in images or videos. 6. Natural language processing, NLP, for text generation. Implement a deep learning model, such as LSTM or Transformer, for generating coherent and contextually relevant text, such as story generation or poetry. 7. Medical image analysis for disease diagnosis. Build a deep learning model to analyze medical images, for example, X-rays, MRIs, and assist in diagnosing diseases like pneumonia or cancer. 8. Recommendation systems using neural networks. Create a recommendation system based on collaborative filtering or content-based methods, leveraging deep learning for personalized recommendations. 9. Gesture recognition for human-computer interaction. Develop a deep learning model to recognize hand gestures from video input, enabling intuitive interaction with computers or devices. 10. Voice recognition and speech-to-text conversion. Implement a deep neural network for accurately recognizing spoken words and converting speech into text, useful for virtual assistants or transcription services. 11. Anomaly detection in time series. Data. Build a deep learning model to detect anomalies or outliers in time series data, such as sensor readings or financial transactions, aiding in fraud detection or system monitoring. 12. Music generation with generative adversarial networks, GANs. Create a GAN-based model to generate realistic music compositions, exploring the potential of AI in creative endeavors. 13. Video captioning and description. Develop a deep learning model to automatically generate captions or descriptions for videos, enhancing accessibility and content understanding. 14. Emotion detection from speech. Build a model to detect emotions from audio recordings of speech, enabling applications in mental health monitoring or sentiment analysis. 15. Financial time series. Prediction. Implement a deep learning model to predict stock prices or financial market trends from historical data, aiding in investment decision-making. 16. Neural style transfer for image enhancement. Use neural style transfer techniques to apply artistic styles to images, creating visually appealing results inspired by famous artworks. 17. Autonomous driving with deep reinforcement learning. Develop a deep reinforcement learning-based system for autonomous driving, enabling vehicles to learn to navigate complex environments safely. 18. Disease detection in plant images. Build a deep learning model to detect diseases or pests in plant images, assisting farmers in early detection and crop management. 19. Activity recognition from wearable sensor data. Create a model to recognize human activities, for example, walking, running, or cycling, from sensor data collected by wearable devices like smartwatches. 20. Language translation with sequence-to-sequence models. Implement a sequence-to-sequence model using deep learning for language translation tasks, facilitating communication across different languages. 21. Person re-identification in surveillance videos. Develop a deep learning model to identify and track individuals across multiple camera views in surveillance videos, enhancing security systems. 22. Automated essay scoring. Build a deep learning model to automatically score essays based on content, coherence, and language proficiency, aiding educators in grading assignments. 23. Artificial creativity with generative models. Explore the creative potential of deep generative models like VAEs or GANs to generate novel artworks, music, or other forms of creative content. 24. Traffic flow. Prediction for smart cities. Develop a deep learning model to predict traffic flow patterns and congestion in urban areas, enabling efficient traffic management and route planning. 25. Behavioral biometrics for user authentication. Create a deep learning-based system to authenticate users based on unique behavioral traits such as typing patterns or touchscreen interactions, enhancing security in digital systems.